So here's the home page of the website. I'm just going to walk you through everything that you'll need to do. So right now we're at the home page. Here's just like the description, and then the video will be right here. One important thing to note is that at the bottom of each page, I have a button that'll take you to the next section of the website that you need to go to. So you can either click on the button or just follow the tabs up here in order. So I'm just going to click on diets. So that'll be the first part that you go to. Now you need to read all of the information that's on here, watch every single video, read the articles, because at the end of each page there will be like a quiz. So on this part we do have a quiz, and you do need to get 6 out of 7. You can just do the quiz right on here if you want to. You get 2 tries. It does tell you the correct answers afterwards, so I do want you to get a good grade on this, because I just want you to know the information and get all of that cleared up. One thing to note is that after you do finish the quiz, it will still keep like this really long length on the screen, and it'll just, so like you need to scroll up to see like what you actually got on the quiz. So make sure you do that, so that way you know if you need to take it again. After that, we will go to cleanses. In cleanses, again, read all the information. This is just a picture of just like some enhancements. And then make sure you explore this website, so that way you can understand just like some different things about a different type of cleanse. And then Quizlet doesn't let you actually like put a link, so you need to highlight it, copy, and paste it into a new tab, so that way you can play the game and take the test. You just need to take the test one time so you can receive credit, but I will be able to see if you are playing the games or not. So please make sure you are playing the games, because I will be looking for that. We'll go to recipes. Again, read all the information. I really want you to explore all recipes and Pinterest, just so that way you can like get an idea of just like different recipes that are going on, and you can just search for like whatever you want. All recipes is more user friendly in my mind. So explore this one first, just that way you can get like some ideas on what to search for on Pinterest. And then after that, I do want you to create your own meal plan. This is just a completion grade, but I will be looking to make sure that like you have a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. And just so that way I know that like you do understand exactly what you learned. And you can just like submit that here. Make sure that your Google Doc is public, so that way I can see it. And we'll go to food. Again, read all the information. This talks about like portion sizes, and just like some other tips to like losing weight. And then we also go into teas, so make sure you watch this video. That'll just like explain some different benefits of teas that like you will need to know. And again, don't forget to do this Quizlet, copy and paste it into a new link. And then I do want to test your overall learning from all of this, so you do need to create like a PowerPoint or a Prezi, and that will be right here where you submit it. So I just want you guys to be super creative. You can talk about like what you feel like is most important, what you thought was most fun, most helpful, whatever it is you want. The only thing I ask is that you do talk about diets, cleanses, recipes, and food. So just like keep like these main tabs within your presentation, and then we will be doing this in class. Like I will be seeing your presentation in class. And then, but you do still need to submit it. And then that is the end of the website, therefore the end of the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.